Welcome to the project demonstration of IoT Energy Meter data monitoring from the cloud platform, the Thingspeak, and also we can download the energy meter data in the kilowatt hour. So in an Excel sheet format, so that data can be accessed from anywhere in the world. So along with live monitoring, so like this, the Thingspeak, we can get the data. And here the calculation was done by a PIC microcontroller, PIC 16F73. So we are going to calculate the load kilowatt hour. What are the load you are going to connect here? So whether it's a 2000 watts or a 200 watts, that will be calculated from the LED blinks. So for every energy meter, there will be a specifications. So each like blinking of this will be calculated by the microcontroller. So means if this LED blinks at 3200 blinking rate, means once the blinking rate of this LED will be completed 3200, then that load is coming to the kilowatt hour. So means one blink equal to 1 by 3200 kilowatt hour. When it blinking rate was reaches through 3200, then it will consider as a 1 kilowatt hour. So that calculation done by the PIC 16F73 microcontroller. So we have interfaced this particular LED blinking rate to the A4 pin of our microcontroller through this PC817 optocoupler. So which is the main optically coupled between this LED and our microcontroller. So the main purpose of this one is there any short circuit occurred inside this energy meter, then the high voltage will be given directly to the microcontroller if it was not placed. So when it was placed, so only this IC may get damaged, so that we can protect our main system. So here it has a 4 pins. Input is 2 pins LED, output is 2 pins a photo transistor. So whenever the same LED blinks here, the same blinking rate will be converted into digital pulses in the 5 volts pattern that will be given as input to the A4 pin here. So there we are going to calculate, as we mentioned here, 1 by 3200. So number of blinking rate into. So that will be displayed on the 16:2 LCD screen, which is connected at pin number B2 to B7. And also we are going to upload the same data to the Thingspeak Cloud platform through this ESP8266 module, which was interfaced at pin number C6 and C7. So the whole system getting power supply from this regulated power supply board, which will take 230 volts AC inputs and provide us the 5 volts DC output. So as it has the 4 stages: transformation and rectification and filtration and regulation. Transformation will step down the 230 volts AC to 12 volts AC. Rectification 12 volts AC to 12 volts pulsating DC. Filtration 12 volts pulsating DC to 12 volts pure DC voltage smoothing purpose. And then regulation is 12 volts DC to the 5 volts DC. So that is the main power source input to our microcontroller along with inputs and output modules. So parallelly we are providing the 230 volts AC to energy meter, and output of the energy meter directly given to this load. So whatever the load you can connect here, there's a TV or a heater or any resistive bulb load. Here also we can do, we can the motor also. So now before switching on the switch, we need to on the hotspot in your phone. So just go to hotspot settings of your phone and change the hotspot name to project 5398 without any space, without any capital letter, and a password should be 123456789, and select AP band should be 2.4 gigahertz. So these 3 are very important. After that you can enable the hotspots along with data, and after that so you can log into the same mobile phone or else any another mobile phone which has the data. So log into the Thingspeak Cloud platform. There will get the web page like this initially, and click on the IoT Energy Meter and go to private view. So there you get the data now. So now you can on the system to the volts AC inputs. So now initially welcome message will be displayed on the LCD screen. Right, now the kWh so will be incremented based on the time varying. So for every 15 seconds of duration, we are going to upload the data to the Thingspeak Cloud platform, as it will accept the data for every 15 seconds duration only. Right. Okay. So there we get the data is uploaded now. So if you want to get the fresh data, if you want to erase the old data, before erasing the old data, now go to data import exports. So from here we can get the data in Excel sheet format. Download the data. It will be downloaded in CSV format. Then open that. So right, date and time, okay, and how many samples till now taken, and the readings of the kilowatt hour. So once you have downloaded the data, so if you want to clear that, then go to clear channel. So what are the steps I'm telling you? Just follow that. Don't go to other and don't go to another options. Here only do clear channel. So once the clear channel is done, then go to private view. So I'm repeating that. You need to access only private view. In channel settings, clear channel. For clear the channel, data import export, you can download the data. So now the old data got erased, so we'll get the fresh data here. Right. Okay. So after 15 seconds, for every 15 seconds of duration, the data keep on uploading to the Thingspeak Cloud platform. So now to refresh it, auto refresh, and will show the graphical presentation of the data into the system. Right. So we got the data here again. So when you click on that, then we get the data here. Right. Thank you.